Great. I think this is kind of exciting. This is page 5 of the very last practice test. The only other one we'll be getting ready for is the final. So it says to simplify as one natural log the following. So since they're all natural logs, we're going to do natural log of x cubed divided by 5. Addition means multiplication, y to the 4th. So in other words, this is expanded and we're condensing it. Divided by x to the 5th. Subtraction means division, and division is multiply by the reciprocal. So we have the natural log of x cubed, x to the 6th. I'm going to get these together up top. X to the 6th, y to the 4th, all divided by 5, x to the 5th, y to the 7th. And then I'm just simplifying exponents. This is going to simplify to x. This is going to simplify to y cubed on the bottom, because 4 minus 7 is negative 3. So we leave it on the bottom, put it back down on the bottom, makes it positive 3. So we have x, because this x is still here, divided by 5y cubed. There we go. All right, and last, write an equation for the inverse of f and justify your answer. So the inverse, remember to find an inverse. We switch x and y, and then we solve for y. So this is, think of this as y. So when I switch it, x equals y to the 5 halves. Well, in order to solve for y, I need to get rid of this exponent. So power to a power, if I multiplied by its reciprocal, I'd end up with 5 halves times 2/5 is just 1. But if I do it to the right side, I have to also do it to the left. So y equals x to the 2/5 power. That's my inverse, and my work is my justification.